Hey, this is Kevin with Palmetto, and today we're going to walk through the interconnection document signing process using DocuSign through Salesforce. So before we jump right into the actual DocuSign portion, I do want to review a couple of the fields that are unique to the interconnection documents that are pretty important we have filled out before we begin the process. So we're going to scroll down to the DocuSign information required section. And you may notice that some of the information here is what is used to fill out your installation agreements. So this is system size details filled out by the design team. What we're focused on here is some of the utility specific information, namely the name on the utility bill, and this is the exact name as it shows up on the utility bill, the account number and the meter number. This is information that will be required to submit to the utility to get approvals on interconnection. So it is important that for the templates to work correctly, we want all this information filled out before we're sending these documents. The most important key here is having the name match exactly what's on the utility bill. If we are dealing with an opportunity where the opportunity name may not match what's on the utility bill, this field exists so that we can go ahead and fill it out with the correct name. Even if it is the same name as on the opportunity, we do want to make sure we just copy and paste that down into this field so that everything connects properly in the templates. But assuming we have all of our information off of our utility bill set up here, we should be set to actually send with DocuSign. So similar process to sending a different type of agreement. We're going to say add document and find our templates. There should be a specific template for each utility territory that we work with. So regardless of what market you're in, you should be able to find a template that's relevant to you, whether that's in Massachusetts with NGrid, you may have Eversource. There's a few different options in New Jersey as well. You just need to go in here and select the template that's relevant for your utility and click Save. I've selected multiple ones right now just for the purpose of this video, but for your specific customer you would obviously just need the one. And then the next most important piece is just making sure we have the recipient listed correctly. So in the case that the contact would actually match the name on the utility bill, we can use this same recipient that's already listed here. We do just need to edit the signer role. So in this case, the homeowner is used for the installation agreements, but the utility account holder role is what we're going to need for the interconnection documents. So if the contact did match the name on the utility bill, this would be all we need to do, and we'd be able to say Save. In this particular instance, since the name was slightly different, we had a Joseph Solar here. I'm going to cancel this out. We're actually going to add a new recipient. So we say quick add. And get the correct name entered here. Get the same email address entered. And again, just make sure that the role is set to utility account holder. Say Save. Last step before we send here is just going to be to update this subject line again, just to make sure we know we're dealing with interconnection documents. We should be able to click Next.